What's up guys? Welcome back again to my TechTube channel. It's been a while since I uploaded an unboxing video, so hindi ko na siya papatagalin. Tara na! So for today's unboxing, we will be talking about this Magsafe Accessories. I know guys, I'm late doing this, but I just want to share my everyday carry utilizing the iPhone Magsafe. So first, I bought these two cases. One is from Apple and one from ESR. So first, let's talk about the Apple's clear Magsafe case. So this is the box. It is pretty straightforward guys. You need to peel off the seal. Here's the case. And some paperwork. The case is not fully covered, as you can see in the lower part is exposed. It is smudged magnet. The quality is good. It's made out of plastic, hard plastic. So be careful lang not to drop it so high. And yes guys, this is the most expensive case na nabili ko. So dapat careful lang talaga kasi syempre, sayang. And lastly, it really makes your phone color stands out. And now let's go to ESR magnetic case. It is also guys very straightforward, just like the Apple's. When you open it, you got some paperwork. And lastly, the case. The case is made out of silicone, and for me, at first silicone cases are slippery, but eventually after several days of use, it becomes more grippy in my observation. Overall guys, these two magnetic case truly serves its purpose. I like them both, so if I want to show off my Pacific blue color, I'll go with the clear Magsafe case. But if I want to be a minimalist vibe, I'll go for ESR. The only downside of Apple's clear Magsafe case, it is very slippery, most especially if your hands are sweaty, so take note of that. The next product is Pop Wallet Magsafe. As you could see in my previous video, I made a DIY Magsafe PopSocket removable, and now PopSocket made a series of Magsafe accessories for the 12 series. And here is one of them. So this is a wallet plus a phone grip. This comes in many colors, but syempre I choose the color black. I really love having a multi-purpose accessories just like this. It's a Magsafe capable, it's a phone grip, and lastly, a simple wallet that can hold up to 3 cards. The pop top also removable, so if you want or if you have a bunch of pop tops in your house, you can replace it. So to remove the cards naman, you need to push the cutout at the bottom upward to get your cards. And now guys, let's head on to my favorite purchase, which is the Anker Powercore Magnetic. But first, a huge shout out to Pasa-Buy Lyka for getting me this item. A little story lang, since Apple released iPhone 12 series with Magsafe last year, after a month I think Anker released this power bank, which makes me want to try it. I tried to search online, where to buy it, etc. and I can find or anyone can ship here in the Philippines. And then I gave up. After several months guys, I tried to search on Facebook or Facebook Market, and I found their post about pre-ordering this magnetic power core. And I immediately PM them, and it was a very smooth transaction, and ang babait pa nila. So guys, if you want to pasabay something, you can check their Facebook page or Instagram page. I will link na lang yung Facebook nila and Instagram sa description box below. So guys, enough with the story, let's go back to this power bank. So this is the box guys. Once you open it, you can see some paperwork. The USB-C to USB-C charger, and lastly, the power bank. The material used here is made out of plastic, its texture is matte finish, and at the bottom of the power bank, you can see some power button and the LED light indicator. It has 5. The blue one indicates the power bank is on, and the The remaining 4 is for the battery percentage. And at the middle is the charging port. This power bank holds 5000 mAh and the input is 11 watts and for the output is 10 watts. And guys, take note, this is not only works for the 12 series but for other Qi wireless charging. I tried charging my phone using the cable and it works. And my AirPods Pro via wireless charging and it works also. I tried using it guys with my Magsafe case. When charging, it gives me around 70 to 75% of charge. In my case for 12 Pro Max. But for the 12 mini, I think it can give you up to 100% of charge. And for the standard 12, roughly 90%. So make sure your case is Magsafe ready so that you can utilize the full juice of this power bank. But if not, and the case you are using is somehow thick, but it passes through and charge your phone, so maybe around 50 to 60% of charge for a Pro Max, since it has some losses during the charging time. And finally guys, let's test how strong the magnets of these two cases, the Apple One and the ESR, to the magnetic power bank and top wallet. This test is without a phone case inserted in the cases because I don't have another camera to record since I'm using my phone to record this video. For the first experiment guys with the Pop wallet, let's test here in the Apple's Magsafe clear case. I put a timer guys so that you know when I shake the case with wallet on, I did not do any fast forward edit and see how strong the magnets are. So this is without the cards. So this is with cards. And the next one is the ESR one. So this is without the cards. And this is with cards. So guys, these two cases did a pretty great job holding the magnetic wallet. And yes guys, the PopSocket magnets are very strong also to stick with the case even when there are cards inserted. Now for the final test, let's test the Anker magnetic power bank to these cases. First one is for the Apple. Second is the ESR. And yes guys, it somehow holds but not that strong. And for me, it is very understandable because it has 5K battery inside and the material used. But I tried it with the phone inserted in the cases and it adds strength, so somehow it holds pretty well. And guys, lastly, additional content here in my video. I asked in my personal Instagram should I make a review video about AirPods Pro if it's still worth it, since I bought an AirPods Pro last week, and here's the answer. It is very simple guys, I'm not an audiophile person, but personally, I prefer Sony sounds more for its bassy and the ANC. But it is not fair comparison since the Sony that I was talking about is WH-1000XM3. And that's a headphone, guys. So if somehow I got the chance to buy another earphones to compare with AirPods Pro, it is the Sony WF-1000XM4. So back to AirPods Pro, guys. Yes, it is worth it for some reason. If you like watching Netflix movies, guys, this is the one since it has integration with spatial audio. And yes, guys, for the Apple Music too. I really love using AirPods Pro when watching Netflix and streaming Apple Music. Just in time for this video, guys, a new release firmware update for the AirPods Pro has now a Find My feature. So ano nga ba yung Find My feature? You can now find your AirPods Pro using Find My app, just like the new AirTags. Another feature is Conversation Boost, wherein it boosts the sound of the person you were talking to. So basically, it helps the people with hearing problems to hear the person they were talking to. Another pros, guys, of this AirPods Pro, it has so many cases to choose from and accessories. So after I bought these AirPods, I immediately checked out different cases and accessories for my AirPods. And one of them is the memory foam ear tips. It makes more comfortable or comfy to use than the silicone one. So that's it, guys, for our unboxing video. Sorry if this video is very long. I just want to tell and share my experiences using these accessories. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.